So you're looking for a house that's not on the strip, but close to the strip, and you want something newer. Well, today we are here at my colleague's property, Wanda Anderson. She has a beautiful 2-story property here in the Las Vegas area, probably about 15 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip. But let's get you inside and show you this beautiful property. And as you first come in, you can see that the property does have a lot of the beautiful LVP, that luxury vinyl plank. We have some storage off to the side here for you guys. And immediately, I'm sure you're taken by these high ceilings. Now, don't be too afraid of the dark blue. We had a gentleman that lived here before. We can definitely keep this dark blue, or if it's something that you want to change, it's paint. And we can get that done for you rather quickly. As you can see, a really beautiful, open, wide space downstairs here. Television or whatever you'd like to do on the sides here, or even on this wall. We don't put those limits. You tell us what you want to do. In the kitchen area, we have a beautiful quartz island here. Probably about 3, 4 stools can go there. And you'll see you have your stainless steel appliances. You have a window over that sink. Whoever gets to do the dishes, I'm sure they'll appreciate having a window to look out. And the appliances and everything do convey with this property. We have a dining area here. We could place a beautiful table. About 6 people can sit there as well. We have an unfinished backyard. And we're just going to be very upfront with you in regards to what's happening in that backyard. We are going to have a lot of folks behind you as far as those townhomes. If that's not what you're looking for, stop this video immediately. But at the same time, if you want to hang out with us to the end, I would love to show you that upstairs, because you will not want to miss what we have up there. So downstairs, what's great about this one, we have an actual bedroom. That bedroom right next door has a 3/4 bath as well. So if you have a youngster, family members, visitors, because you're moving to Las Vegas, and when you move to Las Vegas, you have a lot of visitors. You can place them down here. You can see we have these really cool, almost industrial kind of fans that are throughout the home. Closets, of course, with this one as well. I love the fact that in most of your traffic areas, in the sense of your bedroom, all those types of things, you have your carpet, but then you have this LVP like we talked about earlier all throughout the rest of the parts of the home. So they made some really great choices. We'll give you one more look of the kitchen before we get you upstairs. And actually, before I take you up there, one area I want to show you, if you're a garage person, I want to show you that. So as you come in from your garage, you have your drop zone, keys, wallets, purses, all that kind of good stuff. You do have plenty of storage here for all the foods, as far as your pantry. And then check out this garage. There has been some money placed in this one. So this is cool. So the epoxy flooring, the hexagon lights, which are really cool. And you're all set for your EV charger here. So if you have an EV, you're good to go. Water tanks, everything else. Really cool flooring. Now, let's take you upstairs and show you where the additional bedrooms are. So just quickly, this one is again a 4-bedroom with an actual loft. So the loft is not included in that bedroom count. Again, those industrial fans. And taking you now back upstairs, that's your front door again, just so you can get your bearing. And we're going up on here. A lot of lights throughout the home in the sense of the windows. Big, beautiful loft space over there. Again, not a part of that 4-bedroom count. And we have this one coming in at a $535,000. very motivated seller. Have you heard that phrase before? So it is a very motivated seller. They want to get this done. And at the same time, there is solar that is accompanying this property. So you will have to look at that pricing on the solar as well. But what's great about the solar, I think it's $18 a month for the bills. That's crazy. That's a lot of savings. So really cool. And this bedroom, as you can see here, has this closet with a window in it. I know a lot of people like having windows in their closets. This is our secondary bedroom here. And of course, that was our third. And now we're taking you over to the primary. First, I'm going to show you the loft area. This could be a family meet area. This could be an entertainment area upstairs. But you have that beautiful separation from your primary, from your other bedrooms up here, as well as your bedroom, of course, downstairs, as you remember. And this area here, we have our washer dryer. That will come with the purchase of the home. They do have a lot of their systems here, meaning the builder has decided to place all of that inside of the home. And I know this is what you've been waiting for, your primary suite, an absolutely large bedroom. And again, the biggest part I wanted to emphasize here, separate from your other bedrooms. Your other two bedrooms are on the far side of this upstairs area, and you have that downstairs bedroom as well. And into your primary bath. Large tiles up top. So this is going to be very different. This is an actual tile, so not the luxury vinyl plank, but an actual tile on this one. Shower tub combo. And a really cool, spacious walk-in closet. Look at all of that. There is a lot of space in this closet. Wow. So hopefully somebody won't be out space too much, and you can not fight too much overall with all of that space in there. So with that being said, guys, definitely you know who to reach out to in regards to getting any questions, any concerns about this particular property or any other property here in the Las Vegas, Henderson, North Las Vegas area. Let us know. We'd love to make sure that we get those answers for you.